Welcome back to our channel, and shout out to all of W's here in Dubai, and of course all of W's around the world. Today we are here in Almajaz Waterfront, located in the center of Sharjah. It overlooks the stunning scenery of Khaled Lagoon. Yes, it is simply a lagoon. They developed this area in the year of 2010 to make it as one of the tourist destinations here in Sharjah, with breathtaking landscapes and architectural designs that reflect the rich cultural and historical heritage of Sharjah. So what can you expect if you are coming here? Well, they offer an impressive variety of recreational facilities for all ages. In the morning, you can come here and enjoy the jogging track, while buying your snack and drink and just or bring your kids in Splash Park, play a mini golf, or be amazed how magnificent the mosque is. Or do nothing and just walk and admire how beautiful the Almajaz Waterfront. Oh, I forgot to mention that Sharjah Musical Fountain is a must to see, but it is only happening during night. Palm is an ordinary tree here in Dubai, or even in the Middle East. This date palm, the fruit is called dates, which is high in fiber and also in antioxidants. They also mentioned that it's also good for the brain function. So if you would like to become an Einstein, so you have to eat dates. Maybe I'm going to try also how to eat dates. And did you know also that for the date palm, for them to have a fruit, it will take 4 to 8 years before they're going to bear a fruit. As of this month, as you can see, there's no dates because it's winter. But during the summer, ang dami-dami niyang dates na yan. And the flavor is like chewy and sweet. You can be able to eat coming directly from the date palm, or there are also, you can buy it in the supermarket where it's already in the dried. But I prefer to eat it in the, coming directly from the tree. It's so sweet and chewy. Before the COVID pandemic, if you're coming here, you can also be able to rent out the boat, and that boat will bring you from there. It's end to end, but I think it's quite also costly. So I suggest that if you're coming here and experience the sailing of the boat, you have to bring all your friends so that hati-hati na lang kayo sa expenses. So if you're coming here in the Almajaz Waterfront, you can also be able to rent out this boat, which is for private boat, that is maximum for 10 person. Private boats that only with your friends and not with anybody else. So for 15 minutes, you have to pay for 90 dirhams. For 30 minutes, you have to pay for 180. They also have a sharing boat that is also maximum 10 person, which you can be able to share it also with other people. So the cost for the adult for 15 minutes, it will cost you 20 dirhams, and for the child it would be for 15 minutes for 15 dirhams. And yeah, this is really refreshing if you're here in Almajaz Waterfront. As of the moment, we're here in Almajaz Waterfront, and we're going to go there. That is beautiful. It's called the Noor Mosque. I think it will take me, if I'm going to walk, it will take me for about 30 minutes because it's still quite far the way I see it over there. And beside that, you can also be able to go to Noor Island. They also have, they call it as a museum, and the Kabayans are calling it 100 dates because of the date palm. But I'm not sure if it's really 100 date palm trees, and I don't have any plans of counting it one by one. So guys, if you want to know if it's really 100 date palm, why don't you come here and count by yourself? So I'm inviting you guys to come here and discover by yourself how beautiful the Almajaz Waterfront is. If you would like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Is in the heart of the shark. Equal mo na nga, pati equal mo na lang. Ulit. Ah, mali. Hi, this is okay. Also, it's good in that area. As of the moment, we're here. Flying birds, so cute.